Hey guys, Mike here from MSO Computer, Mike's Computer Tip. It's been a while since I've done a live stream, since I've been on, and I'm glad to be back on. It's kind of funny because I've had issues using this cam. This is a Logitech cam, just using it on this computer on top of the monitor. I've had a fiddle around and change settings and do all kinds of stuff just to get it working. And this time I only just turned it on and hit go live. And before that, I put the name in a box, computer recap as far as this video is. And it just went right on. That's kind of awkward, but I thought I was going to have to spend a lot of time messing around with it. But thank God I don't. It's good, and I'm on, and back on YouTube. I haven't been off YouTube. A lot of people have been asking me where have I been, how come I haven't made any videos, and I've been away from YouTube. Actually, I've still been on YouTube. I've been watching videos mostly, learning a lot of stuff, but I haven't been making any videos lately. And I've also been pretty busy, working, fixing computers for customers and doing other work that I do. So I've still been around. I haven't been away or anything, although I did take a couple small trips, but that was just a weekend trip here and there. But I still involved in computers, and I still check my YouTube channel, and every once in a while I might jump into somebody's live stream, but I'm not in it a lot. I'm mainly watching videos, mainly learning a lot of different things. Computer technology changes a lot. New products come out all the time, new computers and new memory, new hard drives. I mean, technology is going so fast that you can build, for an example, you can build a gaming computer today with a lot of the best parts out there. And by the time you're done putting it together, there's something better. There's another better video card in the works. There's a better motherboard manufacturers putting out. So you really can never have the best of the best. I mean, you can have a really great computer and a fast computer, a gaming computer, whatever your needs are. But you'll never, ever have the best computer because there's really no such thing. You can have a very fast computer and, from like average to above average. And that is good enough for most people. Now, it all depends on your wants and needs. I always told people that if you just get on the internet and surf the web, you do email, some chats, this and that, then, you need a basic computer. You don't need anything like you're getting something better that, will let you do gaming, with having a decent video card, a better SSD fast hard drive, and more memory. Then you would need something better. But if you're always just going to do the basics and you really just want something reliable that, is going to work for you, when you hit the button, it goes on. You can go to YouTube, eBay, Amazon, or whatever you like to do, and it works for you, then, I'd say a good 4 to 8 gig memory is good. Windows 10. Dual core or better would be good. You don't need anything really outrageous. I mean, high-end parts. You don't really have to spend a lot of money. If you're going to buy something new, it would be around $300 for a good basic tower or laptop, because they basically start around $250, $300 for something, okay. The only processor in the past that I never recommended would be a Celeron made by Intel, because a Celeron processor is really a very low-grade processor. Even though you don't want to do high-end stuff, you want at least a Pentium 4, which is technology from years back. Now you would want a dual core or a quad core processor. So that's basic. So when you're looking for a computer, you'll be looking for a dual core or a quad core. You definitely want to have an SSD hard drive in your computer instead of the regular mechanical hard drive, known as a regular hard drive, which has a write read arm in it that moves back and forth, and you can write and read to it, and it is much lower than the SSD hard drive. So if you're going to upgrade, then you want to upgrade to an SSD. You definitely want that because your computer will be a lot faster. Who do we got here? Hello. Good to see you. Good evening there. It's actually morning here in USA. You must be in another country or something because if it's, but good evening. Yeah, wherever you are. Where are you located? But yeah, I'm just giving a rundown of like basic computer recap. When I call it that, meaning, what do you need to be on a computer? What do you need to be online? Oh, Singapore. Okay. Great to meet you. I am in the United States. I am in the USA. Singapore, I'm glad you're here. I'm always glad to meet new people. You are welcome to join my channel, and thank you for being here. If you want to learn, very nice. Stay only 30 minutes. Okay, I understand. I have to work tomorrow morning. Yeah, I know what that's like. Trust me. But I'm just glad you stopped by, and it's great that you are here. But sure, when I know work comes and you really have to get a rest for work. So what I was talking about before was the SSD hard drive, which have been out for a couple of years now, and they're very good hard drives. They're a lot smaller. Here's an SSD for an example. It's really just a smaller hard drive. I mean, a regular laptop hard drive is on my other hand, and it's similar in size, 2.5. But this hard drive on this side is much faster than this hard drive because this hard drive has moving parts in it. This is your hard drive that is in every computer, similar to this, and they are much faster because they do not have any moving parts. It works on flash memory, just like one of the USB sticks like this. You put this in USB and you can save files to it. So it's similar to this. This is what you run your computer on now. And they are much faster, and you'll notice a big difference if you have an SSD hard drive in your computer, because when you turn it on, it'll start a lot faster. It'll run a lot better. Memory, also has changed. It still looks the same, but here's a example of what a desktop memory looks like. They all pretty much look the same. Some of the ones for gaming computers look a little fancier, but the only difference is they're faster and more memory in your computer. If you're going to upgrade your computer and you want it to run faster, another thing to do would be upgrading the memory, upgrading the hard drive to SSD, and also putting the maximum amount of memory. A newer computer, they will support more memory than an older computer would. So the way to find that out is you would have to .com to remember your computer hat. Will take the max, and then you can go in your computer and see how much you have and that type of deal. And then you can upgrade your memory also. It'll make your computer faster. Because what memory does is, memory is sort of like workspace, if you want to look at it like that. And I just want to thank everybody for stopping by, and anybody that watches this, if they have any computer questions at all, please leave a comment, and I will definitely get back to you. And this is Mike, and once again, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.